Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to export Google Keep notes. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to export your notes into Google Keeps, you just simply have to open your Google Keep application and then open the note which you want to export. Then after that, tap into these three dots at the bottom right, and from there tap into send button. And now after that, choose the option of copy to Google Docs, and then after copying successfully, just simply tap into this open button here. And after tapping into open button, you just simply have to choose the email address where you exported and then click to OK. Now, after opening here, you can easily download the document from this section. Just simply tap into download button and you are done. This way you can easily export your notes from Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.